In my opinion, unbiased opinion, it's the term in Filipino, walang tulak kabigin. And I think both are equally good.
Hi guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm here at just outside the main entrance of Ayala West Grove and just in front of St. Benedict's Church. And over there is St. Scholastica's College. Trivia, did you know that St. Benedict and St. Scholastica were twin siblings? Yan, I just found out through my research. And speaking of twin siblings, I'll discuss to you a head-to-head between Trevia and Venare today. And for the next episodes, Abrio versus Santiera, Montecito, and Elaro. Probably Andacillo and Enara. So watch out for that. Going back to the Trevia, Venare, twin sibling analogy, it's always been compared, no? Trevia and Venare. As a backgrounder, Trevia is the first development of Alveo land in Nuvali. They started about 2010, started at 9,000 pesos per square meter more or less. And then Venare followed suit in 2012 and it started at 12,000 pesos per square meter more or less after Trevia sold out really fast. As a disclaimer, I live in Venare. Prior to choosing Venare, I already chose a secondary lot in Trevia. No? Nag-open lang yung Venare. No? Alveo called me up and said, Sir Mike, we reopened a corner lot in Venare which was sold out at that time too. Alveo asked me to participate in the raffle for that particular lot since it was open to all the brokers for their clients. Ako naman, since yung Trevia at that time was basically a cash purchase, of course, I will course it through my bank. And then versus Venare at that time, you will buy it directly from Alveo, which means meron pa siyang payment term. So although it was priced higher, 14,500 pesos per square meter at that time, versus the Trevia's 12,000 pesos, I opted to join the raffle, not as a broker but as a client myself, and luckily I won the raffle. So yung 234 square meter na corner lot was awarded to me. I did not pursue my purchase in Trevia. So needless to say, in my perspective, both are equal in my eyes. Location-wise, Trevia is located at Nuvali Central. So that's about 4 kilometers more or less away from the Ayala Malls, formerly known as Soledad Malls. Si Venare is located at Nuvali South, about 6 kilometers more or less from the Ayala Malls. In terms of size, Trevia is 60 hectares versus Venare is about 74 hectares. As a size comparison, Ayala Alabang is 600, 700 hectares versus Ayala West Grove, which is about 350 hectares for comparison. Density, si Trevia is about 17 lots / houses per hectare versus Venare's 19. Yung 17 and 19, it's not a big difference since there are houses that will be built on 2 lots. So more or less, almost equal yan. To continue, dito medyo mag-iiba yung Trevia and Venare, just like my setting and my shirt. Yung terrain niya, it's pretty much different. Ang terrain ni Trevia is generally flat versus Venare, medyo rolling terrain. So ang elevation naman ni Trevia is about 150 meters above sea level. Si Venare is a bit high, mga 170 to 180 meters above sea level. In terms of the number of houses, as of the last time that I checked, Trevia has 195 finished houses and 19 are under construction. Si Venare naman, there's 183 finished houses and 45 under construction. So roughly 220 more or less yung both villages, no, because there are houses as we speak
which are in the approval stage. They have not yet started, but many are in the process of starting. Yung property managers naman, in terms of Trevilla, they have changed their property manager. Typically, just like Venare, no? Ayala Property Management yan, or APMC. Si Trevilla has changed their property managers to GD Prime Property Management Corporation. I gathered that the owner was a former APMC manager as well. So nagtayo siya ng sarili niya. Just a side note on this, any village or any condominium of Ayala, initially, si Ayala Property Management nagmamanage ng properties. But once the board of directors of a certain condominium or village is elected, they can choose to have APMC be retained because there's a contract, no? Every so often, nire-renew yan if they're happy with the performance, or get another property management, or have the property be managed by themselves, yung board of directors. So it's a matter of preference yan, but mostly APMC still handles many of the villages. Mga side notes, yung Ayala West Grove, they do their own hiring, they have their own property manager and employees. So may pros at cons yan in terms of hiring, in terms of employment. Depends on the board of directors yan who are representing the homeowner. So yung APMC na yan, it entails a whole new video. So we'll try to get a separate video on that. In terms of commercial component naman, si Trevilla is very near or just beside Central Block. Yung commercial component niya will be opened soon. Mary Mart will be there, barbershop, food outlets, no? Breakfast outlet, mga general services. During the weekends, yung Central Block na yan, which is just beside Trevilla, they're holding mga bazaar, mga food stalls. So it's very well received by the residents and the visitors. The residents here are quite excited about the place since hindi na sila lalabas ng New Valley, hindi na sila pupunta sa malls. To Central Block, may mga commercial lots for sale yan, and private developers will put up their own buildings and have tenants, bank, tutorial centers, and stuff like that. Now, I'm also selling commercial lots. Give me a ring if you're interested. Besides Central Block is Xavier School. 15 hectares yung Xavier School, New Valley, versus the 7 hectares lang yata in the one in San Juan. No? You can see the massive campus. So there's also a church inside that which holds mass. Whereas sa Venare naman, there's no commercial area yet, but there is a 10-hectare commercial lot allocated just beside the clubhouse, main clubhouse of Venare. So magkaka-gate nga raw doon for future access once that sort of a mall is done. No? May tinatawag na nga ng mga residents yan as New Valley Town Center because it's a 10-hectare lot. For location, for reference, it's at the end of New Valley Boulevard. Yung nakikita doon na parang grass. So the Venare residents or lot owners are quite excited by this because once that starts, medyo tataas yung value of the property. In terms of school naman, just across Gate 3 of Venare, yung Everest International Academy is just there. Almost gate to gate yan. And in the plan of Everest Academy, there'll be a big church under the Everest International Academy, which is Catholic International School by the Legionaries of Christ. No? Dun sa website ni Architect Paulo Fox, there's a big church nga na gagawin doon. Down 200 meters will be yung Miriam College. Those are the schools which is near Venare. Trivia, yung Venare kasi, madami siyang facilities, no? Yung amenities. In fact, 4 yung kanyang open areas versus Trevilla's just 1 in the center, no? But it's still beautiful in sa Trevilla. Yung Venare, no, which they said that was, according to several sources, was supposed to be an Ayala Land premier community, supposedly Santeran. Their issue with Venare, that's why they put many amenities. They have a covered badminton court, a soccer field, 2 basketball courts, no, isang open, isang covered. Tapos yung gym nila, medyo malaki yung air-conditioned gym nila versus the other Alveo communities, even surpassing some of the ALP villages. Their issue with that is that Venare, I think, is one of the first villages dun sa New Valley South. So at that time, since contemplating mga villages left and right, they were apprehensive that it might not sell or mahirapan isell because when you see Nuvali at that time, parang anlayo nung Venare. So my educated guess is that they put many amenities dun sa Venaren. Another insight, I have friends with both villages, Trevilla and Venare. Both residents yung mga full-time are really loyal to their villages in terms of they really love where they live right now because of the community, because of the get-togethers, the parties, their friends. They really like living in either village. Isa pang trivia, there are several that I know of who have lots in both villages. So that's a very interesting insight. The conclusion, which is better? In my opinion, unbiased opinion, it's the term in Filipino, walang tulak kabigin. Literally, it means walang push and pull. Now, that's the literal phrase. But the meaning of that, it's really too close to call. And I think both are equally good. You can ask the residents. I have yet to meet anyone who has lived in either Trevilla or Venare. Sinabi na, I don't like living here kasi ganito, ganyan. So, bihirang-bihira yon. It's a matter of preference. Yung rolling terrain, yan yung mga basic difference. Flat yung terrain, yung nearer to Soledad. So, that's an issue to some. Yung iba naman, they want it near Makiling or a higher elevation. This will be evidenced by pricing right now in the secondary market. Ang asking is anywhere from 40 to 50,000 pesos per square meter. So, walang village na obviously higher price than the other. So nag-overlap sila. I think that clearly proves the preference that market has spoken that both are equally good. If you have anything that you want to contribute, let's start a healthy discussion down with the comments. And I'll participate, promise yan. So yun muna, this is Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll tackle the other villages next. Bye.